Hello my people, for this video we wan give una the update of Assegno Temporaneo, the deadline of application wey HIMSS don extend, the money wey people dey receive and why dem dey reject some people domanda, and another thing wey dey confuse many people about this Assegno Temporaneo. So now we wan discuss for this video. So una know say before HIMSS first indicate say this Assegno Temporaneo, the deadline na on the 30th of September for those people wey apply from July to September 30th. They go receive payment from July to December. But for those people wey apply from October 1st, they go receive payment from October, meaning say they go lose the payment of July, August and September. So na so HIMSS fair talk, but presently HIMSS don extend the date. So you get time from now till October 31st to apply for your Assegno Temporaneo, meaning say if you apply now till October 31st, you will receive payment of July, August, September and October. But if you apply from November 1st, you can lose payment of July, August, September and October. So they don't extend the deadline to October 31st. So now so HIMSS don declare. And secondly, this Assegno Temporaneo, many people dey mistake am. For those wey don come for my comment section, they don't know the difference between Assegno Temporaneo and Assegno Unico Fili. The thing is that the two of them na the same thing. Government call am Assegno Temporaneo because na temporary thing from July to December, meaning say from January 1st e go turn to Assegno Unico Fili. And secondly, many people go CAF, they say CAF apply for, they say they wan apply for Assegno Unico Fili, but for the receipt wey they get for their hand, e show Assegno Temporaneo, and now they reject their domanda, meaning say CAF do wrong domanda for them. They say they go CAF, they say they wan do Assegno Unico Fili, but the receipt wey they their hand, they write Assegno Temporaneo, they say and give me, but now they don't reject their domanda because CAF do wrong domanda for them. They go do casino. But the thing is that my people, make you not misunderstand this thing. Assegno Temporaneo as Assegno Unico Fili na the same thing. I see explain to them say na the same thing, meaning say na the right domanda na CAF do for you, because government call am Assegno Temporaneo because na from July to December. From January will come be Assegno Unico Fili, meaning if you tell them say they won't do Assegno Unico Fili, do Assegno Temporaneo for you as your receipt, na the same thing. So make you not confuse each other. And secondly, those people, the payment date wey HIMSS don't give, wey they want to pay payment of Assegno Temporaneo, people don't receive their notification now on the 4th of October, meaning on the 4th of October many people will receive their payment, although some people don't receive their payment and they don't let us know, say they don't receive their payment. And the reason why they reject many people domanda, for those people wey don't say they don't accept their domanda, wey don't receive payment, one say in get lavoro subordinato 2 years, and the other one get asilo politico. Two of them they accept their domanda. But at the beginning, we still talking for our past video, waiting HIMSS need the kind document what they need before you fit apply. They talk of those wey be citizen, or you get long-term permit wey be carta sojourner, or you get lavoro subordinato, meaning say either or attesa lavoro. For those people maybe say you lose your job, you go use disoccupation, you renew your document, they can't give you attesa lavoro, but 6 months before the deadline. So now so HIMSS fair indicate. But presently, those wey get asilo political, person tell me say them pay am in money, e get children, they come pay about 600 and something euro, meaning hope there for those wey get asilo political document. But that of a subsidiary, I never see anybody where they don't pay. But if any notification they then pay person, I go see let una know that, but we don't know whether they will pay them, because according to what they talk, they need work motive, lavoro subordinato. We just hope say them pay those people will get subsidiary too, so that other people will fit receive their payment. Those people will get RODC card, una no need to do domanda, because some people still confused. So another thing be say they make them, they reject people domanda. About 4 days ago, person call me, they with a friend, they argue am. He tell am say they no go apply, they no need to apply for those wey get RODC. This person get a RODC card for April. I call am say you get RODC card, you no need to apply. If friend people they argue with am with while they lie, I dey lie with them. No, you need to do domanda. I call am say you no need to do domanda if you get RODC card. The only condition wey person wey get RODC card go fit do as wetin him talk. Now, if for instance your a year and 6 months don complete, you need to renew am. Now, so when a year and 6 months don complete, you need to, e go stop for 30 days. According to wetin him stop, if you stop for that 30 days, say na only RODC card wey dey renew they go pay. So if your year and 6 months don complete and you don stop, you need to renew am, and this September you no go receive payment. Na only those people then suppose do domanda, but you confirm from CAF first if you need to do domanda. I still explain to them, but some people still they argue. So although this person don't understand that, although she don't call me this morning, tell me say they don't pay Assegno Temporaneo money yesterday. So and secondly, we still talking for our past video, say those wey their husband or wife they receive Assegno nucleo familiare, they no need to do domanda of Assegno Temporaneo, because both of them na children bonus. You know if they receive this one and they receive the other one, but this thing still cause confusion for some couples, because maybe the wife they receive her, he not tell the husband, or the husband they receive her, he not tell the wife, and the other one will go do domanda. Make we try as husband and wife, as couple, make we they tell truth to each other, make we they communicate with each other. According to this woman will call me, he say even use money to do domanda, but in they receive Assegno nucleo familiare. Why some occasions the woman will they receive them, but the husband no go no. Make we try to communicate with each other, make we not cause confusion among each other. Because most of the thing will be say if they make him reject their domanda, and those people will apply directly, those ones their money some a day okay, depending on how many children you get and depending on your ise. So 9 then take the calculator, but person will receive, we call me, we get 3 children, the person receive about 600 and something error. So not be me money where Mr. A receive, now Mr. B go receive, because I don't get the same children, I don't get the same family status, I don't get the same ise. So it all depends on how many children you get, how much be your ise. So now so they take the one. The more the children they increase, the more the money they increase. But it not mean say go they born many children because of children bonus. So if you not get any question concerning this video, make una not forget to put them for our comment section, or una go CAF or Patronata when you una pass, una go ask them. Make we not forget the deadline they don't extend until October 31st. To try do your domanda now till October 31st, so that you not go miss the payment of July, August, September, and October. Beg those people, if you know say you don't receive your payment, I beg, don't forget to put them for our comment section, and the kind of document where you get to encourage other people who never receive their payment. Although I'll see the update to now, the more people they call me, they tell me say I don't receive one more. See the kind of document where I get to, I will see the update to now to encourage other people. Thank you and remain blessed.